Hindi ba kaya nga nag-o-object si Vice Chair ng committee, Congresswoman Jennifer Lagbay, na we should not add to the complaint. And the committee should not, subpoena documents to add to the records. Paano pala nila, anong ginawa nilang reason kung bakit nila sinabpina yung AMLAC records at mga ITR ni Mans Carpio, Attorney Carpio?
I think I'll refrain from answering, ma'am, kasi I'll be defending them in a way.
Okay, ako na lang, ha? Kasi yan kasi, si Trillanes kasi, mayroon siyang affidavit. Di ba nakita niyo doon, nag-appear siya doon? Na sinabi niya may mga transactions daw si Attorney Mans Carpio na ganito, ganyan. Kaya, ginawang rason yon na ni Kong Luistro na ipasabpina yung AMLAC. Yung AMLAC is not, according to the law, shall not reveal in any manner. Di ba? In any manner shall not reveal. Walang exception doon. Kahit doon sa ibaba ng batas, walang exception doon. Ayan, Trillanes, katabi ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla. Pag napakulong mo, Ombudsman Remulla, si Martin Romualdez, kakampanya ko, Remulla for President! Boying, pero Boying hindi si John Beck. Hindi Kay Boying Remulla. Yan ang reason why, ginawa nilang reason yan na ipasabpina nila yung AMLAC. Pero, again, may nag-o-object dyan ng mga congressman. And I agree. Bakit naman wala yan sa complaint, yung affidavit na yan ni Trillanes? Ngayon lang yan, tumuhaw ba? Kung sabi sa Ilonggo pa, tumuhaw. Bigla na lang sumulpot yan. Tapos, hindi naman yan part ng complaint. Hindi ba kaya nga nag-o-object si Vice Chair ng committee, Congresswoman Jennifer Lagbay, na we should not add to the complaint. And the committee should not, subpoena documents to add to the records. Yan din ang sinabi ni Congressman, Batikan na din yun at practicing lawyer, Congressman Rufus Rodriguez ng Cagayan de Oro, at ni Congressman Garbin. Pero, siyempre, alam niyo naman si Congresswoman Luistro, may AX dahil kay Speaker, may TAX dahil sa Speaker. Wala. Talagang, wala lang. Strike out pa yung manifestation ni Kong Paulo Marcoleta. It was really an objection. Strike out pa from the records. Grabe, Ngayon na ako nakakita, kapwa mo Congressman, isa-strike out from the records. Yan ang problema sa due process ni Congresswoman Luistro.